Google defines Kadi Chawal as fried fritters in a mildly spicy yogurt sauce. But for us, Kadi Chawal is the ultimate comfort food or comfort meal. What's up guys, welcome to Chomping Champion. मैं हूँ आपका दोस्त अनूप कामत. Today we are in Connaught Place. We are exactly in P block or behind P block, and onto my right you can see Shivaji Stadium, and onto my left you can see the State Emporiums. In front of the State Emporium is the Hanuman Mandir. So you cannot miss this place. We have come to eat in Jain Chawal Wale. This shop started here by selling Kadi Chawal, and when Kadi Chawal became famous, they started making parathas because there was a great demand for parathas. But today the shop sells everything. You can get doshas, you can get puris, you can get various chawal and curry combination including palak paneer, you can get shahi paneer and whatnot. So the shop is open right from the morning till about 12:30 in the night. That is the speciality of this shop. Right from early morning, right from 6 o'clock till midnight, you can come here and savor all these dishes, including breakfast and the combos. So we are going to try Kadi Chawal and a paratha because it's only 8:20 in the morning and I'm hungry. So let's eat. So we have got our aloo paratha here. This is a tawa paratha, and they kept a blob of butter, but it's so hot the butter is melted. Just see, the butter is literally floating on this paratha. This is Amul butter, not the white butter which you get in Murtal. So let's take a piece of this paratha. Very soft, hot. The first bite I'm going to take with this butter. Just with this butter. I've soaked it nicely in this butter. The paratha is almost drenched in butter now. So let's take a bite. Wow! This paratha is super good. The aloo and pyaz inside, it's mildly spicy, cooked very well, and this paratha on the tawa has been fried very lightly and it is perfect. I have not eaten a paratha like this for a long time, and I'm loving this combination with the butter. They have given an aloo sabji and pickle with this, but if you are a paratha and butter fan, I can assure you that you won't even touch this. This paratha and butter combination is absolutely great. But we have to try the aloo sabji, so I'll just take little bit of aloo sabji, a piece of aloo here. It's very, very fragrant, and when you taste it, the spices with those aloo, it really works. To me, this is a 10 out of 10. I'll take one more bite with this pickle now. There is gajar inside, there is hari mirch. Let's take a small piece of gajar. The gajar is very, very sour, very, very khatta. I prefer eating the paratha with the butter and then this aloo sabji. I prefer the tawa paratha compared to the tandoori paratha because it's soft and it's very easy to eat. So Now we'll try the famous Kadi Chawal of Jain Chawal Wale. The plate of Kadi Chawal is kind of loaded. We can see Kadi on top of this rice. The rice is slightly brown in color, so they would have caramelized onions and probably added the rice. The pakodi is there, the small one. And then some onions and this papad. This papad really looks good, and they've given 3 or 4 pieces of papad. So let us taste the famous Kadi Chawal from Jain Chawal Wale. This Kadi is good. Actually, the combination of all this, the chawal, the Kadi, onions and this papad is amazing. But we have to bite into the papad to say that. So here is my bite of papad. This is deep fried papad. I don't know whether it's a Sindhi papad or a normal papad like Lijjat, but it is very crispy and it's amazing. This Kadi is very light. It's not spicy. I'm not even comparing it with Kadi which is made at home, because everybody has a different style of making Kadi. But if I talk about Kadi which is available in the market or in the eateries like this is quite good. And it's quite light on the stomach. That's what I like about this Kadi Chawal. More of this papad. If you ask me to rate this Kadi Chawal, I will give it an 8.75 out of 10. You may be wondering why I am rating this Kadi Chawal 8.8 instead of a 10 or a 9.5. The reason being the rice. I personally feel that the rice quality could have been much better. But for this price, for 80 rupees, this is absolutely worth the money. I don't think you can get a better Kadi Chawal around this place in CP for this price. Actually, all the dishes are priced very nominally and they're very easy on your pocket. So I suggest that if you are in CP or if you come to Hanuman Mandir or if you're visiting the state emporiums, come to Jain Chawal Wale and try 1 or 2 of their dishes. The food is excellent. It is light on your stomach and easy on your pocket. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have liked this video of Jain Chawal Wale. Give it a thumbs up if you have liked it, and if you have not subscribed to Chomping Champion, do it right now and also click on the bell button to get the notifications. We are there on social media and we have a website www.chompingchampion.com. Don't forget to check this out. Till the next video, stay fit and stay healthy. Bye.